और प्यारी सी लड़की यहाँ पे मौजूद है, इनसे लगाते हैं अच्छे से गपशप। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
मिस व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
सलवा।
सलवा। सलवा का मतलब क्या है?
सलवा का मतलब है खुदा की नेमत।
अच्छा, ज़बरदस्त। इतना गोलू मोलू सी आप हैं, खाने पीने का क्या राज है, क्या डाइट है कि आप इस तरह की हो गए?
डाइट कुछ भी नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट लाइक I like it, like eating out, try different places, different foods. So
Which one is your favorite place?
I think this is here.
Mall one.
Mall one.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I just like the phase 7 phase in Rawalpindi, so it is quite similar to it. So
Basically, you're from Rawalpindi.
no, I've been there for 5 years. I just moved here in Lahore like 2 years back, so it's just quite new to me.
Own place क्या है?
Gujarat.
गुजरात में आप पैदा हुई, आप मूव कर गई इस्लामाबाद और रावलपिंडी, फिर रावलपिंडी से आप शिफ्ट हो गए लाहौर।
Yes.
और शहर गए?
ननकाना साहिब.
ननकाना में क्या किया?
Four fathers actually वहाँ के हैं. I was born in Faisalabad. I was raised in Gujarat. I studied in Gujarat. I had my professional career in Pindi and then I moved to Lahore. Yeah.
ना हमने बस कायदे आज़म के बारे में पढ़ा था कि उन्होंने कहाँ से क्या पढ़ा, उसके बाद वो कहाँ चले गए, फिर वापस आए। तो आपने भी इतना लंबा चौड़ा में बताया,
जी जी.
है ना? अच्छा, क्या करती हैं बाय द वे?
मेरा एक अपना स्टार्टअप है मेडिकल बिलिंग का.
ओके, ज़बरदस्त। तो ये इस फील्ड को क्यों चुना?
Actually, I do handle sales and business development and I think I was meant for this career. So.
ओके, ज़बरदस्त ज़बरदस्त। अच्छा जी, तो क्या लगता है कि एक्सपेक्टेड फ्यूचर कितने पैसे कमाने वाली हैं?
बहुत ज़्यादा. I think I'm not gonna settle for less. So I have big dreams, big aims. So I'm gonna.
सबसे बिग ड्रीम क्या है आपका, जो आप चाहते हैं यार ये ख्वाहिश पूरी हो जाए तो मैं बहुत खुश होंगी?
I think for me, the definition of success is I can go to bed with my mind at peace. So I am making enough money that can give me this choice, so I can walk away from the situation that doesn't bring peace into my life. So that's my.
ज़बरदस्त ज़बरदस्त। ओके, मुझे बताइएगा कि कभी प्यार श्यार हुआ? लड़की शर्मा गई।
जी
हुआ।
जी.
तो मिल गई मोहब्बत, या भी सिर्फ उस राह पे हैं कि स्ट्रगलिंग फेस है?
Well, it didn't ended well, but yeah, it happened. Now I moved in a different, I would say, pathway of my life. So
ओके,
yeah, it didn't work really well. Yeah.
क्या वजह बनी?
Actually, personality clash maybe, and we have different approaches towards life, so it didn't really work out.
जब दो डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी क्लैश आपस में मिलने की कोशिश करते हैं या कंप्रोमाइज़ करने की कोशिश करते हैं, व्हाट यू थिंक वो फेल ही होते हैं एट द एंड, या फिर कुछ हो जाते हैं कपल सक्सेस?
Well, I think it's all about the willingness, how invested you are, and how you really want this relationship to work out. If you're really invested and want to make it work out, I think if you both parties try equally, then actually it can work out. But if any of them is not ready to put enough, I would say, efforts or reciprocate the energy, then it won't be able to survive for longer period of time.
Please let me know what's the red flag in a boy?
A lot of them.
You have to describe 4 red flags.
Well, I think the biggest red flag is like they don't respect you, and they don't see you as an individual, as a person. Like, you know, they don't see you as an individual person, and they don't respect you as a person. And the other one is like if they don't, I would say, if they lie a lot, because usually men do, and
What about cheating?
oh my god.
Cheating factor.
Oh my god, cheaters are everywhere. I don't know, but I think I personally has experienced it. Any man who's live, he's gonna cheat anyway. No matter that, there's no amount of beauty and success that can hold a man into your
What's
life.
the best loyalty test? How can we know अगला बंदा जो है वो हमें cheat कर रहा है या हमें धोखा दे रहा है?
I think there is no parameters that can have ever made that can literally swear on man like if they can cheat or not. So eventually, no amount of beauty. Lady Diana can get cheated on. Aishwarya Rai can get cheated on. There is no amount of beauty and success that can hold
आपको
a man
लगता
to not
है in
cheat.
Aishwarya and Salman Khan's case, Salman cheated Aishwarya? Do you think this?
I'm not sure about that, but I think Salman was actually a red flag. He doesn't have the basic
Salman
sense.
Khan is a red flag.
Yes, he is such a red flag. Yeah, he was so.
Can you say this by the way?
Because that is public. That is, I think there's so many
Such a
controversies
public
about
figure,
it.
but
No, there's so many controversies about it, and he was abusive to Katrina Kaif as well, and he was abusive to Aishwarya Rai as well. There's so many published articles who claims, and actually they have evidence about it. So Salman was a red flag.
Salman said once in a show, in a reality show, I think so, he just said this कि अगर एक लड़की छोड़े तो लगता है कि उसमें फॉल्ट है, 2 छोड़े तो लगता है उनमें फॉल्ट है, जब सब छोड़ जाएं तो फिर शायद अपने में ही फॉल्ट है।
I
Do you agree with his statement or no?
No, I don't agree with him because it doesn't. I don't think so. Okay, it should take a lot of or amount of girls to bring the blame on man. If a girl is cheating, I think she's the one at the wrong side, and if the man is cheating, he's the one who's the wrong side. So
I'm a big fan of Salman Khan, so that's why I just did argue with you. But somehow, maybe it's a reality. It's a bitter reality. If it's a reality, so it will be a bitter reality for me to accept this thing. That Salman Khan is a red flag, but by the way, I don't think so.
I think a man who is not ready to take the responsibilities, who just want the girlfriend for the sake of girlfriend and not taking the responsibility.
I agreed with this point कि लड़के सिर्फ ये चाहते हैं कि लड़की उनके साथ रिलेशनशिप में रहे. They just go out somewhere and they just फन टुगेदर या हैंग आउट कर रहे हैं, वो डिफरेंट चीज़ें ट्राई कर रहे हैं. सिर्फ उनके लिए ये जो है वो उसको फैंटासाइज करके वो कहते हैं कि सिर्फ ये रिलेशनशिप अच्छा है इस स्टेज की हद तक. बट इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द निकाह, इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट टू गेट मैरिड, commitments, so they will not. They give you lame excuses. They will give you a lot of weak points, and they will say to you, we are not settled. We have to do something for the marriage life. वो नहीं कहते कि हम इकट्ठे कर लेंगे और let's struggle together. वो सिर्फ कहेंगे this is not the right time to do it.
I think men these days they really think women as a trophy something. They just want to be cool about it. They have a girlfriend, but they don't want to put the efforts and the sense of responsibility or whatever it requires to be in a relationship. They're not ready. But when it comes to give something in a relationship, they're just so innocent about it. They're like, we don't know, we don't have enough resources and stuff. But when it comes to just taking the leverages of being in a relationship, they are okay with everything.
Okay, you talk about the red flags in a boy. If I talk about the red flags in a girl, so
I think there's so many red flags in the girls as well, because these days girls are not career oriented. They see men as an ATM machine, and I have seen personally there's so many women, they really think like having a rich guy or maybe rich husband, now we have a good career. That's not how it should work. I think if
वो फिर उनको मारते भी हो.
they are ready to take any kind of shit unless they have money, right? So this is the red flag. I think personally in my life, I'm a very career oriented and ambitious girl, and I think we should make our own money so we can walk away from the situation or abusive relationship whenever
Reality, people came to me and they just tell me literally, they shared their things कि somebody gifted a Audi to a girl, someone gifted a Civic to any girl. मतलब how can it is possible?
I think it goes both way around. If their priority is like money, then they are ready to take any kind of shit. But if you have some self-respect and your own goals in your life, I don't think so. Then you're not gonna settle for the money.
If you are a self-made, आप कभी भी ऐसी बातें नहीं सोचते हो. But if you are not a self-made and you are just looking for another guy's money, so ये तब होता है. So ये आपने बहुत अच्छा, हमने आज इस point को clear कर दिया, right? Okay. What's your hidden talent, by the way?
I don't think so. I don't have any hidden talent. Whatever it is, it's like just like I'm working on it, and I'm not sure what hidden talent I do.
क्या सबसे बड़ा झूठ क्या बोलती हैं?
I'm not quite sure because I'm really not that kind of girl. Like I'm very honest and transparent about myself, so I haven't hide anything and I don't lie. So I'm not sure what kind of.
बेवफाओं की सज़ा क्या होनी चाहिए?
कोई सज़ा नहीं होनी चाहिए, उनको छोड़ देना चाहिए उनके हाल पे, और उनको अपनी जो उन्होंने लाइफ में डिसीजंस लिए हैं उनको उनके खसारे के लिए खुद ही तैयार होना चाहिए. आई थिंक वी शुडंट आई वुड से आई डिडंट विश एनीथिंग बैड फॉर माई एक्स, बिकॉज आई थिंक वट एवर द चॉइसेस दैट ओके
What if your ex is watching this video? So कहना चाहें?
No, that's okay. I think whatever choices that he, because I completely believe cheating is never a mistake or something. It's a choice that you make like in a conscious mind. And if you were ready to sacrifice everything for the certain time of pleasure, I think you deserve the life that is ahead to you, but not with me. Yeah. So.
Okay, Salwa, very nice to talk to you, और a lot of learns जो है हमें सीखने को मिली. So very 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 nice to talk to you. Thank you. Best of luck for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.